Ellen Adorna is from North Sagaray, Bulacan.
She's wearing a black gown made by Angel.
She's 20 years of age. Her vital statistics 34, 26, 34.
Love is blind is her motto. Ladies and gentlemen, our candidate number 21, Miss Ellen Adorna.
Thank you so much, candidate number 21.
Okay, our last but not the least, candidate number 22.
Candidate number 22 is Miss Alex Gonzaga. Alex Gonzaga is from